So I'm going to analysis to the small time frame, not as the
Yeah.
usual.
Good morning, Jason.
Morning.
Hello, hello. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Ìbàdàn aṣọ
With
isb
my
tó
leg.
lu jágò ó ṣàjọ jágò yẹn dàbí pé celeb ló lè wọ.
Ó dẹ̀ wọ́n. Bọ̀ ilé náà wọ́n náà ṣá. Bọ̀ kò lè tó ti jágò yẹn.
ó wọ́n ṣé màá mọ̀ tì.
Okay,
Wọ́n
guys.
yẹ máa ta
So I will
sọ́ọ̀tì 100.
analysis
Oh, sorry.
all
Sorry.
price now. So guys, please wait for a moment. Just give me 2 minutes. I will start my laptop first. It's a little bit lagging.
Okay. So since Pop Boss is experiencing some lagging issue there, so I will be taking over for a while. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So I'll do a small recap on the trade that we took on that day. Alright. Wait a minute. Okay. So here you are. Okay. So this is the USD JPY that we entered on that day. Okay, so why did we enter on that day? We actually sent the analysis in the group, but then I'm going to make a simple analysis here. So you can see this is a significant level right over here. As the price react to this level for a few times. Okay, the first time and the second time here, the price it react here for multiple times before it break past it. And then the third time, the fourth time before it break past. And you see finally the price it break past over here and it retest to this zone. Okay, so that is where we finally going to enter the trade. You're back, pa boss.
I'm here, bro. Let me share my screen.
Okay. You share your screen. Okay.
Okay, this trade, we said the analysis in the trading room already. Okay. So this is a very simple trade. It breakout with test to the resistance level and also the lower high. Then it form a candle confirmation in daytime frame, doji and long wick hammer candle. So the trade is still running. Just stand forget. Don't worry so much. Let's see Euro GBP. Okay, currently we can see that the price is hit the resistance level, the area here. You see here is the resistance level, that area. From here, I will draw the zone from here to here. Then we can see that the price currently start reaction already. It start to drop. In this time frame, we not see any good candle confirmation actually. So let's move on to the 4 hour. Okay, wait. You can still analyze that here is a support level, a clear support level. If you can see, you can go to the line chart and see here is law of rejection. Right here is the support level. Let's move on to the 4 hour time frame. We analyze that here is the strong resistance zone. Okay, so the price just break up this zone and retest to it and form a doji already. So what I'm waiting for is wait for the bearish engulfing candle from actually. I hope that that will be from a bearish engulfing or any good bearish confirmation candle. And then I will enter the trade. But for now, you can see that here is still nothing. Just test to the zone and no kind of confirmation, no momentum for us yet. So we will just say forget. But you can pay attention to this zone. Pay attention to this pair. Wait for the kind of confirmation first. And we enter the trade. If no kind of confirmation, we will just sell from the market. Okay, let's see GBP, JPY. Okay. You can clearly see that actually here is a support zone. Support zone from here to here. Okay, support zone. You can see first reaction, reaction, reaction. It's not the real breakup, just a false breakup. And with that, it's still reaction, reaction, reaction. So currently you can see that here is the supply level. And price is still choppy in this stage. Let's see for our time frame. You can clearly see that actually here is nothing in this pair, nothing. The price is still choppy and now it hit the supply level. And then it form a base engulfing candle cross. The time frame you can see that here is the doji and engulfing candle. But price hit the purest purest high in small time frame, hit this level, and then start from a reaction already. So currently, I will prefer to wait for more confirmation first. Let's wait for it break up, to break up this level and see is there any opportunity or not. For now, don't focus on sell yet because we can clearly see that here is the support zone, a strong support zone, and price didn't break up yet. It's just a fake up. So we can still analyze that it is the bullish market actually. So currently, just wait for more confirmation. And don't miss that actually here is still a resistance zone. So let's see is that price will break out and retest this level or not. In, and is there any trading opportunity here or not? For now, just wait. EUR USD. Let's see daytime frame. I can see that here is the strong support zone. And the price breakup. Before I break out, actually it form a supply zone first. This is supply zone. Drop, base, drop, and break up this zone. So this means here is a strong supply zone. So I draw the zone here. See, I draw the zone here. And then we can see that actually price is already hit the zone 2 times already. 1, 2, 3 times. And start forming reaction already. But we still don't get any opportunity, any candle confirmation first. So we will still wait. Let's see weekly time frame. You can see that here is the rejection candle, but the bearish momentum is not strong. So it not form a bearish like hammer cross like this. It didn't form like that. So we no trip. So currently still wait for more confirmation first. Let's see 4 hour time frame. And maybe we'll focus on sell, but we didn't see any trading opportunity yet. So just wait. You can clearly see that actually here is zone, right? So for now, the market is still choppy, nothing. Just wait and see. And below there is still a really base, really. So this mean here is the demand zone. So we need to wait patiently lah. Let's see what market form us from show us. So you are right. The conclusion is we focus on sell, but I didn't see any trading opportunity yet. Okay, let's see USD CSF. Okay, let's go to the weekly time frame. Then we can see that here is the resistance level. And price hit the resistance level and it hit to the day time frame, a strong demand zone. So if for rejection already, this this yeah, we focus on sell because the price hit a weekly resistance level. But the price hit a strong demand zone here. So I will wait for it to break out and retest. Break out, retest, and let's see is there any trading opportunity or not. Is market form any candle confirmation or not? If not, we will not enjoy the trade. And below that is still a demand zone. Okay, you can focus. What I'm saying focus is if I get the trading opportunity here, a market if like the market breakout retest, it show us a doji and then a bearish engulfing candle close, then I enter the trade, right? Enter the trade. I have to pay attention to this zone. My TP will not target it to break out this zone. Because you still have the opportunity, the probability to form a rejection, go to higher. So in this pair we just wait patiently for it to break out retest. For now, don't focus on buy because the bearish momentum is come to the market already. Hit the weekly resistance level. So we will just wait to break out retest. We raise the hand. Okay.
Yeah. About the
Yeah.
euro. No, not the GBP, the euro.
I lag, bro. I can't
Yeah, I
hear
have a
properly.
question on that, please.
Mm-hmm.
Please go to the
Perfect.
Hero USDT so that I'll be able to break out the points. Can you hear me?
Sorry, no. I think mine is lag. Say
Oh,
one more time.
I said about the Euro USDT. Euro.
So USD.
Yeah. Yeah. You said the price is going to like, is it going, I just want to ask, is it going bullish or bearish? You said,
Bearish.
I,
Bearish because the price just break out this
yeah,
space.
yeah,
Break out this space. And then retest to the base again. And it hit the very
yeah.
strong supply zone.
Oh,
Then it formed the injection candle already. But not enough
mm-hmm.
because this confirmation is not enough. It not close very bearish.
The confirmation is not enough.
Yeah, not enough. So I know enter any trade.
I think my network is bad. Continue, please.
Okay. Let's see GBP USD. Okay, this analysis I do a lot of time already, more than 10 times already. Don't worry, I do one more time. So currently GBP USD in weekly time frame is the uptrend market structure. You can see lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, high, low, high, 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 low, high, high. So this is the high low level. Price hit already and go out already. So let's see the time frame. The time frame here is the high high, high low, high high, high low, high high, lower low. High high, high low, high high, high low, high high, low, high, lower low. This means here is the lower high already. Okay, so lower high, the price just break out this lower high level. So I will wait for it to test first. I target for buy and wait for the form to show me the candle confirmation and enter the trade. Okay, very simple, very clean trade. If it retest to this zone, high probability will go up. High probability. And here is still a demand zone can focus on, because this demand zone is the strong demand zone. It go up, spike up, and then just break up this strong level. So here's the another demand zone we can focus on. Price, you have probability to reaction to this zone and also reaction to this zone. Okay. So GBP currently we still need to wait. Let's wait. AUD simple trade. Let's see weekly time frame. You can see that here is the support zone. Support zone. Reaction, 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 reaction. And you can see that here is the demand level. And finally it becomes the supply level. And here is also a base. So this I will identify this as the supply zone. Supply zone based on this. It formed by actually is formed by this demand zone. You can see here the price hit the demand zone, right? And then from base first, base, choppy, and then drop suddenly. This means here is become the supply zone. We can analyze it. Supply zone. So now I will just wait for it to break up and retest this zone and wait for the candle confirmation to end the trade. So currently AU is still nothing, it's still in the choppy state, you can see. Choppy. It running sideways in this range. In the range between the support zone and also the supply zone. So just wait and see what happens. So USD share USD CAD. It's very simple. It hit the weekly, a monthly, a weekly, yearly supply level, strongest supply level. They form a huge rejection. So the price hit the very strong, the strongest supply level. We will just focus on sell. No way we still focus on buy, right? Then you can see before it spike out to hit the supply level, actually it form a base, a strong base. Base sideways running, and then it hit the supply level, the drop suddenly. So it drop. Now you break up. Now you test to the base. We test to the base. We test to the base, and so the rejection rate. Rejection. We will still focus on sell, but not for now. The price running in the sideway. I know trend. I will never enter the trend in the sideway. I wait for it to break up, test this demand zone, this support zone. I wait for it to break out the test. After you think, if you break out the test this zone, that means high probability will still you will even go down, right? So I will just wait for this. Just wait patiently. Wait for it to break up, test this zone, and show me the candle confirmation, like in the day time frame or 4 hour time frame. You get the candle confirmation, then I will enter the trend. GBP CAD, very simple actually. You just need to analyze this support zone. See, support zone is over here. Okay, wait for the price to retest to this support zone, and maybe you focus on buy. But now price is running on the uptrend, so let's see, is there 4 hour time frame and any trading opportunity? 4 hour time frame. Market will have a probability to go down. Why I say this? You see, here is the resistance zone, right? Resistance zone, and then you see resistance zone, price breakout will test to it and form a bullish engulfing candle. So we know that after this candle form, high probability will go up. Yeah, it go out already. But you see here, here, here is the demand zone. You see price form after the price will test to it. It form a doji and a bullish engulfing candle, right? Good sign that it will have a high probability to go up. But you see what happened next? Drop, drop, drop. So we can see that actually price is not in the strong uptrend already. Now it's have the probability to go down already or change the or go to the sideway running, choppy, and then it go up. We don't sure. But for now, you can see that market is not enough bullish movement already. Kind of show us the information already. So we just need to wait patiently. Currently, my price still nothing. Just wait patiently. Is if you break out, we test to this resistance zone and go up, or if you go down, we test to our support zone and go up. Okay, so these two possible move that we will focus on. So currently, for now, I made another conclusion. We will wait for the EG lah, EURGBP. Let's see is there 4-hour time frame so as the good confirmation or not. And USD JPY, just wait patiently. It's still running. Don't worry so much. GBP JPY, nothing. So others, the left is nothing lah. Nothing. All the press, nothing. Just wait patiently for now. Only this EURGBP we will focus on for now. We will only focus on GURGBP. Okay, now I will let Vincent to present.
So hello Victor, you there?
I'm here. Sure.
So
I'm
how was the
following up.
analysis? Is there anything that you don't
Yeah,
understand?
I'm still more concerned about the Hero USDT and the GPP.
You were
I asked
again.
if
You
the
were
price is going to
what?
the Euro USD.
Or you were USDN?
Yeah,
Or you are waiting for opportunity for EURUSD or what?
and the GBP, the GBP USD.
And GBP USD. Oh, okay. I see.
Yeah. So I'm focusing on that.
Oh, you're focusing on both pair right now, right? The
Yeah, both
EURUSD and
pair.
the
Yeah.
GBP USD.
I feel like the price might go bearish.
Oh, the price might
Okay,
go
what do you
bearish. You mean which one? GBP USD or EUR
the
GBP?
GBP USD.
GBP USD might go bearish.
Yeah. What do you think?
Uh,
Be okay.
wait for a while. Let me present my screen here.
All right.
Okay. Eh, okay, so from what I see for GBP USD, right?
Yeah, GBP.
Okay. For me, because I am not a scalper, so I will not see things from a very small time frame. Okay. I'm still looking for bullish for GBP USD. The reason why is because you can see my screen, right?
Oh,
Can you see my screen?
okay. Yeah. Sure.
Okay. So the reason why I still looking for bullish opportunity is because this overall movement is still a bullish movement. Okay. So the
Okay.
price is still and poor uptrend right now. So I will focus on buy rather than sell for now. Like what we analyzed just
Okay.
now is either we wait for the price to retest to this
Go up
zone.
and test.
Yeah, we test this zone and then we look for opportunity, or there is also a possibility that the price will come down to this zone, to our demand zone over here. Okay, but then I will still focus on buy rather than sell for now, because this overall movement is
Okay.
still quite bullish. I will not say that because of this little sideways movement over here, I would say the price is bearish. No. For now, I would still consider GBP USD a bullish momentum. So I will just wait for opportunity.
To buy.
Yeah. Actually, for you, you are
Ah,
actually taking trades in what time frame?
the 3 minute.
The 3 minute.
Yeah.
The three
Oh,
minute. The 3 minute is too
wait.
small.
Wait. One question. Quick question here. What time frame do you use when opening
What
a
time frame
trade?
do I
Is it
use? The smallest time frame I
yeah,
go is 1 hour time frame. I will not go time frame
oh,
smaller than the
1
one
hour time
hour.
frame?
Because I mean, for currency pair I see more stability when I use time frame 1 hour or above.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So if you want time frame, if you want to trade with smaller time frame, I would say gold is a better one for you to trade because
Okay.
gold is considered more volatile than most of the currency pair. So smaller time frame works the best lah, I would say. But then for currency pair, I wouldn't say it doesn't work the best. But then from my experience, I will go for the bigger time frame for currency pair.
Okay.
Yeah. And then another one is AUR GPP, right?
Yeah.
So for
What
AUR
do you think?
GPP, I am something over here. I'm also waiting for a breakout and retest. The price has broke out this zone over here, and now
That range.
yeah, it went back for a retracement. But then uh I'm now waiting for the price to form some sort of confirmation before I enter the trade. Yeah. Okay. So you can see as the price retraces back to this zone, the momentum is getting weaker and weaker. Two doji candle form over here. Okay. And then also you can see that in the daily time frame, in the weekly time frame, over here the price is forming a downtrend movement. Low low, low high, low low, low high, low low, and then I'm back here, lower high. Yeah, so you can see the overall movement is still a downtrend movement. So I would say that I will still focus on sell for AUR GBP. Alright. So we will see if there's any good confirmation for this trade or not. Like what we analyzed just now is there is also another significant zone over here. A level over here. Yeah, somewhere around here. Okay. So around here there's a level. Alright. Yeah. So there's a level over here that we have to take into consideration. But then the overall movement over here is still quite bearish for me. Alright, so you're actually looking for bullish or bearish for EUR GBP?
Bearish.
Or bearish, okay. So we are on the same side lah. Okay. Okay. So we'll see how. Okay, now we will wait for this 4 hour candle form and see how the price go first. Then we decide whether we want to enter this trade or not. Okay.
Okay.
So for now we'll just wait, and then the rest is nothing else. For USD JPY, we will just wait and see how. Okay, is there anything that you want to ask?
No. Nothing.
Nothing. Or is there anything that you?
Hold on. One quick question again, please.
Yeah.
At times, I do trade Bitcoin, BTC, USD.
Oh, you don't
Yeah.
trade? You mean what? You trade Bitcoin?
I trade Bitcoin. Yeah.
Oh
I see
yeah.
that yesterday the price was at the range of. Hold on. Let me check my phone here. Sorry.
Okay.
Hold on. Okay. I placed on a buy.
A
Around
buy.
85,000. Yeah, 85,000. Yeah.
85,000.
Yeah, that yesterday. 85,000.
You went into this trade in the how many time frame?
Yeah, I use smaller time frame, but I will start using a higher time frame now. But for now, as at yesterday or before yesterday, I use maybe 5 minutes, 15 minutes.
Or use a 5 minute, 15 minute to enter the trade.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
But now I'll start using higher time frame.
Oh, okay. I would say it's quite bullish for now. For BTC USD.
Yeah, bullish.
Yeah. After the price hit this 100,000 level and then it went down a little bit. A small retracement over here. But then how much the retracement will go, we don't know yet. We will wait for more confirmation.
So what do you think? What do you think? Oh fuck! Is it my network?
You mean BTC USD?
Yeah, I can't see you guys. My network is bad. Okay, I'm here now.
Oh, you mean you can't see the screen right now?
Yeah, I can see it now. I can see it. Yeah.
Okay. So for BTC, I mean I don't trade BTC, but then I will still.
Yeah, I know. I'm just asking.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
do
yeah.
trade Bitcoin.
I would,
At times I buy Bitcoin. I
I
buy
would, I
Bitcoin
would,
with real money.
I
Yeah.
would still focus on buy rather than sell. And then,
All right.
uh, so you can see there is one demand zone over here. This is a William frame,
Yeah.
one demand zone over here. But then this is the price action that I use based on my forex pair. Okay, there's one
Mhm. Yeah.
there's one demand zone right over here, and then you can see the price has been forming high and high low, and then a new high over here, and then
Mhm.
I don't know which this low will go how far. We will just wait and see lah. Then for now, what I can see is price is actually trying to make a
Can you put
retracement
this?
it after it break past this support zone over here. It went out before retracement, and then probably a downfall over here lah. Okay, since you can see that there is a huge rejection of the candle over here. Okay, the first candle here is a huge rejection in the V-time frame, and then the second
Yeah.
candle form is this bearish engulfing candle. So we can say that the price might have a high probability to go down for now. Yeah, the price might have a
Okay.
high probability
Thank
to
you.
go down, to go down.
All right. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. So for USD let it be. And then for EUR GBP, we will just see how this confirmation form first before we decide to enter the trade or not. Okay, so the rest here is nothing. Alright. Okay, nothing. Okay. I will show you a bit about index over here. Okay. I mean, index is something that you shouldn't take as your first reference. If you are confused with the index, you should only focus on this pair for the first one. I mean, you should focus more on your pair rather than the index. Okay, index is just for your reference. It's not as important as your real pair analysis. Okay, so we'll look at the XY for
Okay.
now. We can see that the price is still quite bearish for now, I would say. Okay, but then the price hit a demand zone over here, and then form a two rejection candle over here. Okay, there are two rejection candle over here, so there might be a probability that the price will go up, or there might be a probability that the price will go straight down. Okay, because now the price is still within this zone, we still can't decide whether the price is going to go up or go down. Okay, maybe you say that there is rejection, maybe there is a sign of exhaustion in this dollar index, but then you look at the overall trend over here, it's still quite bearish over here, considering this bearish engulfing candle in the William frame. Okay, so for now it's still quite bearish for the overall trend, so I would not say that the price will not go down. There is still a possibility that the price will go down, but then we have to wait and see how. Although there are two rejections, but then all these markets are so unpredictable. So yeah, there are a lot of possibilities here. Okay, and this is for DXY. I would say the price hit the demand zone over here. It might go up or it might go down. Okay, and then for JPY over here, eh, I mean JPY, the overall trend is quite bearish lah. Okay, but then for now we look at over here, there is a zone over here, and then you can see that the price, it hit this zone for twice and then it went up, but then it did not hit this zone and then it went down. Okay, so I would say that the price now is actually, I wouldn't say it is completely bearish. Okay, because the price, I mean, it's actually quite confusing. There is half bullish and half bearish in this DPY pair. Okay, but then we will not focus too much on this index lah. Okay, because this is not our main thing that we should refer to. So the price might actually go up or go down also. But then you can see that the overall thing over here is still The overall trend is still bearish. I mean, the whole if we're looking at the whole trend, but then this movement over here is still the price reject this zone for twice. So a possible thing that the price will still continue going up. But then never mind lah. This is just index. But then what I can say is the price is still half bearish and half bullish for now. So we will not focus too much over here. Okay, this is what I can say for now. And then for BXY, the PTS index. Okay, the price hit this. I can consider this a major zone over here lah. A major zone, and then we can see that the price actually form a candle, the doji candle over here before it hit this resistance zone. So there might be a possible how to say, a possible where the price will actually go hit downwards after hitting this resistance zone. Okay, but then I will not say that that is something that will happen actually. You have to focus on your own pair. For this index, you just have to take it as your reference. You just have to know whether it is bullish or bearish, then that is enough. You don't need to know every movement of this index pair because it's quite unnecessary for you to know all this for the index that you are not trading. So you are not trading on this index pair, so you don't have to focus too much. Okay, so there is some discussion on index pair. Alright, so for USDJPY, I think nothing else. Alright, so how was it, Victor? Is there anything that you want to question,
No.
or do you have anything that
I,
you want to ask?
no, I asked the question already about the GBP and the Hero. So I'm good. I'm good for now.
You're good for now. So how was your trading recently? Okay.
Yeah, last week, I'm still using demo account for now.
Okay.
So last week was a bit crazy. I think, let me check. I lost for my demo account. I lost. Hold on, for last week. Where should I check? Last week. Okay, I gained 1,002 my demo account last week.
Okay. So what is your account size for your account?
Account size is, well, I lost it. Account size is 10,008 for now. Last week,
Oh, okay.
yeah,
10,000 for your account.
10,008.
So you're risking how much for one trade?
I risk I risk maybe 20%.
20%.
Yeah, each every single trade.
Wait.
So is it too much?
Because for 10,000, okay, let me explain it to you. Because for
Yeah,
an account size for 10,000, if you risk 20%, that means you're risking $2,000 on one trade, right?
one trade. Yeah.
Yeah, that means you have only 5 opportunities in this market.
Wow.
So let's say, I mean, if you have a high probability win rate strategy, that is fine. But then when it comes to some strategy where you lose continuously for 5 times or
Times I'm going to
five
lose
losing
the
streak,
account.
then your whole account will be blown. So it's actually
So
quite
what do you
risky.
think? What do you think? What's the rate I can use? What do you
Uh,
think? Is it 10? Is it 5? Is it 1?
so what I would recommend, because this one still depend, this is still dependent on your own strategy. I would say
Yeah.
if you have an account of $10,000, uh, account for what $10,000. I mean for our strategy, right? We
Yeah.
can risk for 1%, 5%, or 10%. I
Oh,
think that
on every
5% would be
trade.
good for you. 5% means $400 per trade, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think 5% would be good for you because since 5% you will
All
have
right.
more opportunity of staying in this market.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank
Because
you. Thank you.
because the thing is that when we are in this market, we try to survive. We try to increase our survival rate as much as possible.
That's possible.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
when we try to increase our risk time, at the same time we can earn more. But then at the same time, we will also risk our fund. Uh, that we might eventually blow our account when you are trying to risk too much.
All right.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you.
So I would
Thank
say
you. Thank
five
you.
for my strategy. 5% will be good
Will
for
be
you.
good.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah,
All right. Thank you so much.
yeah. So you're actually trading on your own account. I mean, you're trading on your own strategy, right?
Yeah, my strategy. Oh, I
Yeah.
use demand and supply. That's the strategy that I use. That demand and supply.
Okay, okay. Actually, the thing is
But
that
what?
aha.
Yeah. What strategy do you use, please? Sorry. I just need to like
Again.
the strategy that you use.
Oh, you mean what
You.
strategy I started? I used it when I
Yeah. Yeah.
started.
Yeah.
The strategy that I used when I started is actually a lot. I would say a lot of things. Uh, I think you have heard of this before. Something like trend line. Trend line
Yeah. Yeah.
breakout.
Trend line.
Then
Yeah.
this one I can. I think I remember it was some kind of tunnel or what.
Mm.
Right. I actually forgot how it works, but then there is some law on it. Okay, like let's say this the price it break out of this channel over here, and then it form some confirmation at this zone over here. There might be a possibility that the price will hit back up, will hit upwards.
Oh.
But then this is my starting strategy. When I was in the beginner stage, when I did not know nothing, when I know nothing about trading, I just randomly try different strategy, and then I also try one more. This one that I'm showing you is the trendline breakout, and then I
Mm-hmm.
also use I mean supply and demand. I'm still using right now because I find it quite quite useful. Yeah,
Yeah.
it works quite okay for me. So I'm still using supply and demand. But then
Yeah.
there are some strategy like uh let me see.
Sorry.
I think there is also some kind of strategy like bullish flag or bearish flag where it usually form like this one, something like this. Pop. So it usually happen when the price it break past this zone over here. So we'll be looking for a possible opportunity over here. Yeah. I mean that was my starting strategy lah. Okay. I mean there are a lot of strategy out there that you can use. There is no right and wrong for what strategy you use because at the end of the day you just have to know how you can profit from the market. That is all that is what really matters. Okay. You can have a lot of strategy. You can have a lot of these supply and demand. I mean, breakout will test all these different strategy, but then at the end, are you really that profitable or not? Yeah, that is a key
Alright.
thing lah. Because some people they use a lot of this
But
SMC,
for now,
ICT.
to be.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I mean, at the
Okay,
end of
okay.
the day, you still have
For
to
now, I've not
know
been
whether your strategy
profitable.
is profitable for you or not.
Not for now. No, I'm not. I've not been profitable at all. I told Bill, I told him, I told boss that I've not been profitable at all.
So you are now focusing on supply and demand.
Yeah. Or what do you think? I think that's the only strategy I know for now. The supply
Uh,
and demand.
because I'm personally a price action trader, so I will focus on I will not only focus on supply and demand because supply and demand itself will not work. I will focus on market structure.
So,
I will focus on candlestick pattern. You know all how the candlestick is formed and how and the definition of each candle, and then identify zones. Okay, this is the biggest thing over here because if you can't identify the right zone, you it's very hard for you to become profitable. So what you can do is you can go and backtest and get a solid data of which zone is the one that gives you the highest win rate. But then before you identify the zone, you have to identify the market structure first. Know the market structure first.
okay.
Or else you're just randomly
Uh,
looking for zone that mean nothing.
hmm,
Yeah, yeah. So if you're using
uh,
supply and demand, I think that is something that you can try lah.
uh,
Hmm.
thank you. Thank you. I think that's all.
That's it. So anything else you want to ask?
Oh no. That's all. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
so if there is no question, then we can actually stop for now lah. Is it okay?